Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see lesson 2, common, proper and abstract nouns. Let's get started. Write the correct nouns for each type using the words in the box. People who help us. So, who will help us? Nurse, policeman, teacher, Names of towns and cities. So, Ooty, Lucknow, Hyderabad. Names of domestic animals. Dog, goat, cow. Names of wild animals. Bear, zebra, lion. Names of flowers. Lily, lotus, rose, and marigold. Understood? Next, common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a noun, the name given common to all people, place. So that is common nouns. So common names of a place, person, animals, things. Understood? And what about proper noun? Proper noun, the name given to a specific person, place, animal. Okay? ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆಯುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ಗೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್: ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್, ಓಷನ್, ಸೀಸ್. Canada, Ganges, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea. Name of the organization: United Nations, Indian Air Force. So all these examples for proper noun. Okay? And remember, watch out, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Okay? The sun, the moon and sky are names of unique objects, but they are not written with the capital letter. Okay. Write whether the following are common or proper noun. Jack. It's the name of a person. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? Proper noun. I will write PN for proper noun. Okay. And CN for common noun. Okay. Jack. Proper noun. Muffin. Common noun. Beehive. Common noun. Easter. Proper noun. Library. Common noun. Shop. Common noun. Harry Potter. Proper noun. June. Proper noun. Donald. Proper noun. Market. Common noun. Understood? Next, circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. My cousin gave me the book, The Three Musketeers. Underline the common noun. Cousin is a common noun and book is a common noun. And the Three Musketeers is the proper noun. Nisha and Bina are sisters. Nisha, proper noun. Bina, proper noun. Sisters, common noun. Bruno is a small dog, but he likes to fight with big dogs. Bruno is a proper noun. Dog, common noun. Dogs, common noun. Sheba likes to wear dresses, but Shruti likes to wear saris. Sheba, proper noun. Dresses, common noun. Shruti, proper noun. Saris, common noun. The Mona Lisa is a famous painting. Mona Lisa is a proper noun. Painting is a common noun. Ramdini is my neighbor. Ramdini is proper noun. Neighbor is a common noun. Dayaram and Sukhi are clever carpenters. Dayaram and Sukhi are proper noun. Carpenter is a common noun. New Delhi is the capital of our country. New Delhi is the proper noun. Capital. Capital is a common noun. Country is a common noun. Sunita plays the piano and Sunidhi is a singer. Sunita, proper noun. Piano, common noun. Sunidhi, proper noun. Singer, common noun. Understood? Next, abstract nouns. What is this abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of an action, quality, or state. It refers to the things we can think of, hear, or feel. So, abstract noun is the name of the actions or the name of the feelings, what we feels or what we thinks or what we did. So, all actions and quality and what we feel, feelings, the name of these things we called as a abstract nouns. Okay, so here, see, name of the action, love, dance, growth, quality, beauty, cleverness, bravery, childhood, sleep, sickness. So all these are the abstract noun. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಸರಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮದ ಮಾಡೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್, everything comes under abstract nouns because it's all under the feelings. Okay, next, circle the abstract nouns. Here abstract nouns are youth, joy, goodness, pity, sadness, hunger, anger, greed. All these things comes under abstract nouns. Underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences. My mother asked me not to get into trouble. So, trouble is an abstract noun. The doctor said that exercise is good for health. Health is an abstract noun. Cleanliness is a good habit. Cleanliness is an abstract noun. I can't remember the dream I had last night. Dream is an abstract noun. The door is a symbol of peace. Peace is an abstract noun. The king was known for his kindness. Kindness is abstract noun. Richa likes listening to music. Music is abstract noun. The old man is full of wisdom. Wisdom is an abstract noun. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with these abstract nouns. Kishore showed dash to the sick animal. Showed kindness. The fox fooled the lion with his slyness. Sly means cunning. Dash is the best policy. Honesty. Tuli ate her sister's share of the cake, 2 out of dash. Out of greed. Grandma tells us stories of her dash in her village. Childhood. Understood? This is about the second lesson, common, proper and abstract nouns. And tomorrow we will see collective nouns. Thank you.